Welcome to Everything Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fancy glass table in 3ds Max. First, you need to create a box. Yeah, just like this. Then, you need to decrease the height of the box. Yep, to edit poly, select Edit Poly, and then select a box edge. Now, you have to connect and add two segments in a box. Once you have done this, select Two and Polygons and Extrude. Next, you have to copy an object. To do this, press the Shift key and then drag a pivot point. Just drag it right over. Now, select the box and create a glass. This will help you to create the glass surface of the table. Copy an object by pressing the Shift key and then start dragging a pivot point. You can then scale the glass object according to your preference and the dimensions of the table. Next, you need to create a cylinder. You should select Edit Poly and edit a pillar of the table. Next, to copy an object, press the Shift key and start dragging to a pivot point. Once you are done with this, select a mirror and copy an object to select Z-axis. Now, copy the four pillars by repeating the same method of pressing the Shift key and dragging a pivot point. Then, you have to create a table texture. Here I have already created a texture for the table. Once you have created the texture, drag a texture table object. After this, create a plane object, and then create a physical camera to get different viewing angles. Next, create V-ray light to give illumination to the object. The last step is to render the model, and that's it. You have a finished glass table model to be used in other interesting projects.